Hello there. Today we are having a look at multiples and factors. Firstly, let's look at what does it mean to do multiples or to give multiples. This is when you count forwards in a specific number. The number then gets more, but it gets more with the same amount every time. So if we look at multiples of 2, that will mean we will count forwards in 2 or do skip counting in 2s. For instance, 2, 4, 6, 8, and you can count onwards as far as you need. You can also think of this as the 2, the first number, is 1 times 2. The 4 is the second place, so it's 2 times 2. The 6 is the third place, so it's 2 times 3. And the 8th is the fourth place, which is 2 times 4. When we now look then at giving the first 5 multiples of 6, we are talking about the first 5 countings that we will do, or the first 5 places that we need when we count in sixes. So the first 5 multiples of 6 will then be 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. If you need to write down the multiples of a specific number, for instance, you need to write down 4 multiples of 3 between the number 24 and 39. Now you can go and write down all the multiples of 3, and then you can go look at between which two numbers are they looking for. Remember, between 24 and 39 does not include 24 and 39. So these numbers will be 27, 30, 33, and 36, which is the 4 multiples of 3 that is between 24 and 39. Let's now have a look at factors. Factors will be the two different numbers that you multiply with each other that will give you a specific or a certain answer. If we now look at factors of 12, you can think of what numbers do you multiply to give you 12. There are a few different numbers that you can multiply that will give you the answer of 12. It's the easiest to always start with your 1 times table. So 1, what times 1 gives 12? 1 times 12. Can I multiply something with 2? Yes. 2 times 6. Can I multiply something with 3? Yes. 3 times 4. 12 is not a multiple of 5, so we cannot multiply anything with 5 to get to 12. You can multiply 6 to get to 12, but we already did write 2 times 6. It's not necessary again to write 6 times 2. And then if we go through all the other times tables, you will end up at 12 again, which is 12 times 1, but we already wrote 1 times 12. So these ones, the two numbers that multiply with each other to give you the answer, we call them the factor pairs because there are two numbers. To write down the factors, you now take these numbers that you multiplied with and you write them down from the smallest number to the biggest number. So in this case, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Let's have a look at one more. The factors of 30. Again, we need to write down all the multiplications or all the numbers that multiply with each other to give you 30. So 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. All the other times tables will not get us to 30. So these are again our factor pairs. To write down the factors of 30, that will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. For more videos on all the topics that's been covered so far, you can have a look at my YouTube channel.